Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine in this crucial situation. You stay at home and be safe. Have you finished your previous homework? Yes. I am Navanita Ghosh. Today I will start a new chapter, chapter 15. The name of the chapter is The Social Change of Bangladesh. Today we will learn two of the lesson. Firstly, we will read about concept of social change, and secondly, or last, we will read about the components and factors of social change and its impact in Bangladesh. So let's start. Please open your book and follow me. What is social change? Social change means the change of social structure and its activities. That means we can give some example. Social structures or social activities means social rules and regulations, social politics, social behavior, social relationship, social culture. So, the changes of fundamental and superstructures of the society are called social change. We can give some definition of some renowned sociologist. Kingsley Davis. Kingsley Davis was one of the renowned sociologists. He said, social change is the change in social structure and activity. Kingsley Davis' emphasis on social structure and social activities. He thought that social change mainly related with social structure and social activities. MacIver was also a renowned sociologist. MacIver said, social change is the change in the human relationship. That means MacIver emphasis on social human relationship and Kingsley Davis emphasis on social structure and activities. The impact of this change deeply touches the economy, the politics, social policy, religion and religious value, and even the age-old system of life. That means the creative activities of the society get new momentum. New branches and skills of science are opened up. That means the changes of fundamental and superstructures of the society are called social change. We repeat, what is social change? The changes of fundamental and superstructures of the society are called social change. Now we will show some slide. Now I will discuss with you about the components or factors of social change. Look at the board. Components of social change. In Bangladesh, the social change is influenced by various factors like as socio-economic, political, religious and cultural. There are some factors, specific factors now we will discuss. Please look at the board. The important or specific factors of social change are the natural factor, the organic factor, the cultural factor, the education, the technology, the communication, the industrialization and urbanization. These factors influence very much on social change. So now I will discuss with you this factor in specifically. Firstly, we will discuss about the natural factor. The geographical position of Bangladesh is a notable cause of social change. Slow as well as sudden geographical change, the climate change, global warming would impact on life of the people of Bangladesh. So, natural factor is important for social change of Bangladesh. We will discuss the social change of Bangladesh. These factors are important for social change of Bangladesh. So, natural factor is the very important for social change. Secondly, organic factor. The organic factor is an important factor of social change. The birth and mortality rate, average life expectancy, the density of population, the nature of population, and the standard of lifestyle is the factor of organic change. Organic factor. This is the organic factor of social change. Thirdly, the cultural factor. Cultural initiates social change. Culture is changing. It is culture not static. It is moving all around the world. So, cultural change is in present world. It is an important factor for social change every country of the world. So, if we look at any society, diversified culture, difference in people's values, difference in objectives and ideologies will be noticed. As a result of this, organizations nurtured by various cultures have been created, and those causes different kinds of change in the society. So, it is clear? Now, I will discuss with you the education. Education is the main factor, or education is the key to social change. Spatial factor, it is a spatial factor for social change. Education is the making of one kind of reform and ceaseless process. It is clear that it is a spatial factor for change of society. The spread of education among the members of the society arouses the self-confidence. Education creates the self-confidence of women, of the member of the society. So, the power of judgment and consideration arise because of education. Education liberates us from all kinds of blindness, ignorance, superstitious beliefs. So, it is, we can give an example that the expansion of female education in the society of Bangladesh has created awareness among the people, which has motivated various social movements. Okay, now we will discuss about the technology. Technology is the applied side of social change. Technology is the applied side of science. So, through the introduction and expansion of technology, the mindest of the people in a social system and social structure experience changes. We can give an example that the invention of radio has influenced the medium of amusement in social life, education system, politics, and many other kinds of social activities. So, technology have a great influence in social change. Six, the communication. The more the communication medium of a country is developed, the more developed is the economy of the country. I repeat, the more the communication medium of a country is developed, the more developed is the economy of the country. The communication is one of the main factors of social change. Lastly, we will discuss about the last factor of social change. This is the industrialization and urbanization. The industrialization is such a process by which the agriculture based economy and social system is transformed. So, because of industrialization, the higher class, the middle class, and the lower class have emerged in our social life. Industrialization is at the root of the increase in employment of the country. So, dear student, today uh, that's all, and today we will discuss about two topics. Firstly, we will discuss about the concept of social change, and lastly we discussed about the components of social change. So, uh, the components of social change has the possibility to remove the curse through concrete efforts, and the these factors have the chance to change the society. So that's all, and now we will show some slides on this topic. So let's go. Dear student, that's all for today. Enjoy the video and of course, obviously read the textbook and complete the worksheet. Okay? Thank you very much.